If you want to change your voice in Roblox and sound just like this,
you can't escape, Nappy. Come here, tiny human. Let's cause some chaos together.
this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a voice changer in Roblox with ease. So let's get started. First, download and install HitPaw VikPea. I've left the download link in the description below, so make sure to grab the latest version. Once it's installed, open HitPaw VikPea and you'll see the setup screen. Select your microphone and speaker device, then click Continue and Done to enter the real-time voice changer interface. From here, you can browse and choose any voice effect you like.
Whether you want to sound funny,
robotic,
or like your favorite character.
After choosing your voice, it's time to connect HitPaw VikPea to Roblox. Open Roblox and join any game with voice chat enabled. Once you're inside the game, click the Roblox icon in the top left corner and go to Settings. Then change your microphone to HitPaw VikPea Virtual Audio Device. Your voice in Roblox will now be changed in real time,
And you can start having fun with your new voice.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI voice tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.